This is the Swan Reserve, a hotel which was opened in November 2021, and it's one of the Autograph hotels, and this is a junior suite. So we walked in through the door behind us. We've got some USBs, some nice water, a coffee machine. What have we got in there? Just some storage. Oh, how did you get in here? Oh, a panty popping up. The bed looks lovely and huge, with some nice artwork on the wall, and obviously that's going through to the restroom, the bathroom, which I shall show you in a few moments. And then we've got, I drop my bags here. So yeah, coffee machine, and then got some storage, I'm guessing. Oh, mini fridge, it's handy. And there, don't know how these don't, oh, there you go. Oh, a safe, and a drawer there. Oh, another drawer above it. Yeah. And it smells lovely, doesn't it? Mm. Huge TV. With paper bin. Seating area there, seating area there, seating area there. Just plenty of seating areas to entertain. Fantastic. Full length mirror there. Pandy's just putting away a bottle of wine that we bought earlier. And what have we got in there?
Wardrobe.
Oh, we've got wardrobes with ropes in.
Robes.
Yeah. And an ironing board. Like that. So, yeah. Very nice. And another one here. There you go. So plenty of storage. We're here for 2 nights. But we can stay for a week.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got that much storage.
Like in the closet.
Yeah. So yeah, from this angle, that's always handy to put suitcases under the bed, isn't it? Mm. And then our view. So in the background, I think there, I don't know whether you can see it on camera, I think is Animal Kingdom.
Is that Everest? Oh yeah, the Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
So I don't know what
So you should be able to see the fireworks. And look down there.
Oh, yeah, it's pool.
See outdoor pool. Wow. My camera's not liking being pointed downwards. Like, what's going on? So pool with cabanas. And our wonderful friend Jeff works as a catering manager.
Yes.
You'll probably give me a round for saying something wrong, but yeah, so he told us about this hotel, so thank you, Jeff, and he's going to show us around. But doing the room tour, he said you guys carry on and show. Oh, we got, yeah, what do you like? Oh. So yeah, you've got 2 entrances to the bathroom, and hi, you've got, oh, these lovely Swan Reserve, that's fancy, and some soap, an extra toilet roll, lots of, oh, that's huge, that shower is huge, lots of towels. The shower looks really nice, got the rainwater shower and the handheld, the toilet, or toilette, as our friend Ken likes to call it. And another sink there. There you go. Very, very happy. The whole building smells lovely. It looks lovely. It looks nice and fresh. Yeah, wonderful. So I'll do another vlog of the area. So this is just the room tour. But yeah, I'm so excited to have 2 nights here. Thanks for watching. Bye.